मेरी ऐसी हालत हो गई थी, बच्चों की नहीं
ऐसी
मुकेश भाई के पास दवा खाई मैंने।
The emergence of multi-drug resistant tuberculosis will only undermine the progress we have made so far in TB control. If we are unable to control MDR-TB, it will slowly eat away the progress made so far. The 3% of TB is MDR-TB, and in retreated cases it's more than 12 to 14%. So these percentages may seem small numbers, but when you translate it into figures, it's huge numbers. And you do realize that the treatment of MDR-TB is 100 times more expensive than TB treatment, and the regimens are more difficult with adverse drug reactions. So it's very, very important to control it at present. Otherwise, we'll have a problem so huge that it will be a challenge to control it.
मेरा नाम मनोज कड़िया है, मैं आउटरीच वर्कर हूँ।
Outreach workers ensure that the patients who are on MDR-TB treatment do not fail the treatment, which is very important. If they fail treatment, they stand a chance to develop XDR, a possibility too dreadful to contemplate.
मेरे पापा का नाम मोहम्मद फारूक, मेरी मम्मी का नाम हमीदा बानो, मेरा नाम सैनूर बानो।
3-4 ताखा रात में भी घड़ी मार।
पहले मुकेश भाई के पास दवा लेते थे, बाद में इसका रिपोर्ट करवाया तो पता चला कि MDR सस्पेक्ट केस है। फिर मुझे बताया गया, मैं इनको सिविल लेके एडमिट करवाया मैंने इनको, फिर ट्रीटमेंट चालू हो गई।
नहीं तो एक खाट पर से उठ भी नहीं पाती थी, मेरे को टेका लेके यूँ उठाना पड़ता था, पानी पिलाने का मुंह में इसके, कुछ खिलाना हो तो मेरे को खिलाना पड़े इसको। और रोवे बोले मम्मी तुम मत जा मेरे को छोड़ के, पापा मेरे को मत जा छोड़ के, मैं मर जाऊंगी, मैं जीऊंगी नहीं।
पहले से तो बहुत अच्छा है, पहले तो मेरे को यही लगता था कि अब मैं मर जाऊंगी। मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को पास में बैठा के बुलाती थी कि मम्मी पापा मेरे को देख लो आगे। मेरी ऐसी हालत हो गई थी, बच्चों की नहीं
ऐसी
मुकेश भाई के पास दवा खाई मैंने।
The Lilly MDR-TB partnership is an initiative to combat multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, a disease so daunting that no single organization can do it alone. It's a public-private initiative and it has about 18 global partners who are experts in their own fields, and they've all come together to help contribute in fighting this disease. In 2003, the initiative was launched, and since then it has been trying to secure access to medicine. It has been transferring technology to produce the 2 Lilly drugs which are able to treat multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. It has been training healthcare providers. It has been empowering non-governmental organizations to work with patients. It has been working in various ways to help contain and fight the MDR-TB.
This TB ward is designated as DOT+ site. When the patient is diagnosed as MDR case, they are admitted here in the DOT+ site. The pre-treatment evaluation is done here, after which the treatment is started. Initially, we keep the patients for at least a week to see the effects of these second line drugs. So, we confirm that okay, this patient can tolerate it well, and then the patient is discharged within 10 days.
Okay.
When the patient is diagnosed and he is getting the domiciliary treatment, our outreach workers, they go to the patient.
These outreach workers are mobile. They are all assigned a number of patients. Each one of them, there are 7 outreach workers for these 2 organizations. Each one of them is assigned a number of patients for whom they are directly responsible, and they take it very seriously. They meet the patients, they meet their family members, they go out in their communities, they talk to the people, and this is a constant follow-up process, and they report every week to their coordinator as to how the progress is with their particular patient. And because it's a process in which they are with the patient for more than 2 years, it's very logical that they become part of their family members and attached to the patients as well.
मेरी बच्ची की तरह मैं सहनूर को याद करता हूँ और रखता हूँ। मैंने पर्सनली भी समझाया कि इसमें कोई चिंता करने की कारण नहीं है, क्योंकि एक ही काम है, ठीक से दवाइयाँ लेना है।
दवाई खाने से पहले तो यही लगता था कि अब ऊपर वाले बुला रहे हैं। दवा खा के चली आती हूँ और क्या कहते हैं मेरे को ना घूमने जाने अब घूमने का खाली मन करता है।
It was a seamless technology transfer. We had the help of Lilly's scientific people staying in Cuddalore to transfer the technology as well as scale up the product. One of the reasons they decided to transfer this product into a low-cost country like India is because they wanted to make this product reach more number of patients. Now, the purpose is to ensure that we are able to generate more product from a low-cost country, take it to both Aspen in South Africa as well as SIA in Russia, to ensure that we are able to reach more number of patients in Russia, in South Africa, and wherever WHO had penetrated in terms of reaching more number of patients.
Our only hope is that we are able to come up with models which are replicable for patient support programs. Since the Government of India program is fast expanding the DOTS Plus initiative, we hope that the model we are arriving at in Gujarat can be replicated elsewhere in India, and the patient support program could be put in place where the outreach workers could work, or community-based organizations could work with patients to help them adhere to the treatment.
Eli Lilly is a pharmaceutical company, but the company's philanthropic work have been very extensively helpful for the state of the Gujarat.
I can tell you that in Ahmedabad, we are very much hopeful that we will be able to cure more than 70% of the MDR patients. And we hope that all other sites also, they would do the same. Yeah.
એટલે મને આ બધી તપાસ કરાવીને પછી આ લોકો કહેવા આવ્યા કે બેન તારે આટલી દવા ખાવાની છે, તો હું રડતી હતી તો આ લોકો ડૉક્ટરે કીધું કે બેન તું રડીશ નહીં, તારા બાબા માટે અમે છીએ, અમે તને દવા ખવડાવીશું અને સાજી કરી દઈશું.
We have to save the patient's life. I feel very satisfaction when the patient is taking medicines and is medicine regularly.
हमारा तो यही मकसद है कि वो टीबी में से मुक्त हो जाए और टीबी दूसरे को ना होवे, उनके घर वाले को ना आवे, आजू बाजू की फैमिली है, आजू बाजू की सोसाइटी है, उनको टीबी ना होवे, यही हमारा संदेश है. इलीली टीम आउटरीच वर्कर से।
मुझे ऐसा लगेगा मेरी ज़िंदगी में मैंने कोई एक इंसान भी बचता है तो मेरे लिए इससे अच्छा और कोई काम नहीं है। अगर एक पेशेंट की भी मैं जान बचा सकता हूँ तो इससे बड़ा मानव धर्म मेरे लिए दुनिया में कोई नहीं है।